Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we're unboxing 4 different DeBang Mighty Machines. These are some really cool Mighty Machines. I can't wait to take a look at them. Here we have a forklift. It comes with a pallet. The forks really raise up. We also have a counterbalance on the forklift to make it easy to carry heavy loads. Wow, you can see inside the cab, and there's a steering wheel and a little chair that really swivels. What a fun mighty machine! Next, we have this excavator. He can turn all the way around. He has these tracks that really move. The boom and the arm can raise and lower. And the scoop really moves too. This looks like it'll be lots of fun at the job site. Next, we have this bulldozer. The tracks move really well. It has a rake at the back that can raise and lower. Look, it has this blade at the front that can raise and lower too. This is going to be lots of fun at the job site. Finally, we have this wheeled loader. The chair really swivels. And it has this really cool steering wheel. There's the exhaust pipe. And look, we can raise and lower our bucket. It even slants up and down. Wow, I bet this is gonna do a great job on the job site. Let's go to work, boys. Wow, the mighty machines are busy at the job site. The bulldozer is working hard. We're preparing for a road. The wheel loader is bringing some rocks. There he goes! Mighty machines! Oh, hi, Rubble! Do you like the road? Ooh, it's so nice! Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.